This is just a massive project, and the original structure is 781 meters long, the original bridge that you see in the back there. Good morning! It's Monday morning, the 5th of December, which is the King's birthday, which means we have a holiday, and this is the perfect time for me to go around on my bicycle. As you can see, not too much traffic. I'm here on Rama 3, and today I'm going to give you a construction update regarding one of the big bridges that's been built at the moment. But on my way to the bridge, I noticed the King Bridge here. This is a new construction site. This building will be 235 meters high, 797 feet, and it will have 43 floors and should be ready by next year. And this is next to the Bhumibol Bridge. And today it's all about the bridges here at Rama 3. So let me jump on my bike, take you along and show you the construction. So this is just a massive project, and the original structure is 781 meters long, the original bridge that you see in the back there. And the span when it goes over the river is 450 meters. So yesterday I was on my way to a tree planting event in the mangrove forest, Samut Songkram, and we passed this bridge. So I made a little bit of footage. I will edit it in here. And then the funny thing is that later in the evening, my friend Michael Rifa sent me a message, and he told me that he made a lot of footage of this bridge with his drone. So I will edit that here as well. I will put a bit of music on it, and let's enjoy the atmosphere. So you might be wondering, why does Bangkok need another bridge? So here in front you see the whole river area with the Bang Chao, the Green Lung on the left side, and the river is basically splitting the city in two. There are not enough bridges to cross the river, and that's why traffic gets congested in the city a lot. So they constructed this 8-lane bridge next to the original bridge, so you already have the whole infrastructure to get there. And yeah, from here I have actually a great view of the city, so let me do a 360. Next to the bridge you'll find the King Rama 9 Park. And I mentioned in the beginning of the video that we have a holiday the 5th of December because it's the King's birthday. Well, it's the birthday of the late King Rama 9, King Bhumibol, that unfortunately passed away a few years ago. But this is still a holiday in Thailand. So from here you have a nice view how the bridge looks as well. You can see the second part being built on the back there. Kasikorn headquarters is over there. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the construction of the new bridge at Rama 9. It's not going to be the Rama 9 bridge, it will have its own name, but it's not decided yet what the name will be. If you enjoyed this update, if you're interested in anything that goes on in Bangkok, Thailand, Southeast Asia, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.